I recommend this course to anyone who is interested in spirituality and self-development. I think it's great because it provides so much information, which is it's all in one place, and it's very concise. Each week you focus on a different chakra, and there's a lot of self-reflection which comes from it. You can really learn a lot about yourself, a lot of self-discovery, and Esteban presents this information in a great manner, and it's interesting to see how and what you can integrate into your own life. Things that you might not be conscious of before you come to the classes. For me, it brought up new realizations, things I could work on, and something to think about how to integrate them into my own life.